If you're after a pair of wireless earbuds that don't break the bank, then the Edifier TWS1 Pros might be a nice match for you. They offer an attractive price at below $100, but what features do you get with these? Let's take a look. Now, I've been using these earbuds for a while now, courtesy of the kind people over at Edifier. As with all my reviews, I will give you my honest impressions on these earbuds, and if you want to check them out, I will drop some links in the description. With that said, let's get started. Now, the Edifier TWS1 Pros come in a simple but nice package, and in addition to the earbuds, you do get a USB Type-C charging cable, some paperwork, and extra ear tips with different sizes. The charging case has a boxy but minimalist look to it, and you just get a USB-C port on the back for charging. I actually like the design of the case, although some people might find it a bit large. The earbuds likewise have a nice design. They are minimalist overall, and I like that they don't have a stem in them, although they do seem kinda big compared to other earbuds. They are touch sensitive, and we'll talk more about that in a bit. The TWS1 Pros also have IP65 dust and water protection, which is a great feature, especially given the low price on these earbuds. Setting up the earbuds was pretty easy. With the initial setup, they entered into pairing mode automatically, but if you need to pair them with a new device, you have to touch and hold either one of the earbuds to enter pairing mode, since the charging case does not come with a pairing button. One issue I did run into was that the Edifier Connect app didn't seem to recognize the earbuds even though they were paired to my phone. I'm not sure if this is an isolated case with my smartphone, but reinstalling the app didn't seem to fix the problem. There's a variety of controls on the TWS1 Pros. Tapping on either one of the earbuds can pause and play your tracks, double tapping on the right earbud plays your next track, and vice versa for the left earbud. Holding on the earbuds raises or reduces your volume. It's a straightforward control setup overall, and one that users shouldn't have trouble with. Although I do wish that we had customizable touch controls for the earbuds. The TWS1 Pros have 60 mAh batteries on both earbuds and a 500 mAh battery in the charging case. The earbuds can last you up to 12 hours of playback time, and you can charge them up a few more times in the charging case for a total of 30 hours before needing to charge the case and earbuds altogether. This is a lot and should be great for long trips or flights. Unfortunately, there's no wireless charging on the case, but at such a low price, there's bound to be some compromises. Alright, so how exactly do these earbuds sound? After listening to the 30th anniversary remastered edition of Metallica's Black Album on these, I think that the TWS1 Pros do a great job of delivering good sound quality. If you listen to a lot of bass-heavy music like metal or hip-hop for example, you'll have a great time using these earbuds. The earbuds also do a nice job of balancing highs, mids, and lows when listening to music. I'm not a hardcore audio expert, but for $50 you're getting impressive sound quality on these earbuds. The buds also sounded decent during phone calls. There's no active noise cancellation, but the earbuds do feature Qualcomm's CVC noise cancellation technology. This means that the earbuds will focus on your voice when in a call, so ambient sounds in the background will be greatly reduced. It's a nice alternative to ANC in my opinion. So are the Edifier TWS1 Pros worth your cash? Well, there's great sound quality, a good design, terrific battery life, and IP65 water and dust resistance, which to be honest are great features to have at half $100. The only downsides I can see are the lack of wireless charging, no customizable touch controls, and trouble connecting to Edifier's smartphone app. On the other hand, it still gets all the basics right. If you're after a good pair of wireless earbuds that don't break the bank and do everything you want them to, then these are a great option to look at. We have a lot more tech reviews here on TVRY, so check out our other videos here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.